We have a great show ahead for you this morning. Up next, how to get rid of that funny smell when you turn on your AC in the car.
What are you pointing out at me? I'm not the one who's been hanging out with cows. I'm not the one who's been hanging out like in the yard.
2 degrees.
Oh.
Remind us heat's coming.
Yes. Howard. Hello.
Good morning.
Hi, everybody. We are talking about your car because Howard was just telling me we already hit the highs, but in the 90s. And so what does that mean for the AC in our car?
That's a beginning for us, but we've got that shot over the deck reminding us it's time to check our air conditioning out. You know, everybody's calling Donnelly Air Conditioning, have them come check their house. They don't think about their car.
Right.
So there's some simple things you can do.
Okay.
First of all, for the newcomers to Arizona, this is what's called an Arizona driving glove.
Yeah.
Okay?
This is normal.
We don't usually bring these out until June or July, but we want to warn you, it's coming.
It is
so
coming.
Get prepared. So first of all,
Yes.
you talked about smells, so we'll go to that side of the table.
Okay, let's start here. What do we have
Most
here?
all vehicles now have a filter that filters the air going through your air conditioning. So when you're in a recycle mode, this filter will pick up lots of different smells
And pollens,
and so on and so forth. That needs to be replaced twice a year.
Okay.
People ignore it. It's a very simple thing. So you can kind of self-check your vehicle. One of the things that I love to use is I go to Patty's drawer and pull out the meat thermometer.
Patty has everything, doesn't she?
That's right. That's right.
Okay, so the meat thermometer, what are we doing with this thing?
Put that in the vent of the air conditioner.
Okay.
You watch for it. If it gets down into the 45-degree area, then you've got good cold air. Then you feel, do I have power? Okay.
Right.
Is the pressure coming? Is the fan blowing?
Right.
If not, right there.
Where's the danger zone? So 45 is the good zone.
45 is good.
If
you know,
it's-
some of them will be better, some will be worse. But if you're at 45, you're okay.
Okay.
But then you're looking for the amount of air coming out. And if the air's not coming out,
You know
first
your
place to
filter.
go is there.
How much is a filter change?
Filters are, well, some of them are inexpensive. They're $7, $8, $9, $10. Some of them are $30.
Okay.
But it doesn't
Still
matter.
an easy thing to do, and
you
will
can
be
do
a
it at
life
home.
changer in the car.
You can do it at home or go to your favorite shop.
Yeah.
They'll charge you $30, $35 to do an observation of what's happening and tell you where you're set for the year, just like the air conditioning companies do at home.
What else did you bring us?
Well, people don't understand, and we go through this every year, how their instrument planner works. So I always talk about
I don't know, and I've had my car for 10 years. I just hit buttons till it does the right thing.
See?
It's silly that I don't know.
So get your owner's manual out and read it. Obviously, you've got your fan, and these are from 3 different vehicles, but they don't realize what the recirc is.
Okay.
And when you go to recirc, that means it's taking the air from inside the car and recooling it, so as the temperature goes down, it gets colder.
Okay.
If you have it off recirc, it's taking the air from outside. Takes longer to cool it.
Oh, wow. So we want that recirc button.
You want to use that recirc
Okay.
when you first start it up. It's going to bring the temperature down quick. And then I like to take it off of that once I've got the car cool.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh, that's cool. All right. That's a good tip.
And other than that, you know, we brought the car to show
I
Easter,
know.
Easter colors.
You guys warned me, right? So we're cruising. Is this too much? Is it too much?
She looks good with that
We
car.
look like little Easter eggs.
That's right.
The both of us. Howard, we appreciate you. Happy Easter.
One more thing.
Yes.
I want to take people back in history. Scott, can you get around and take a look at what
where we're going? Back
the
in time.
evaporative cooler used to look like? Most of you are not old enough to remember these, but these were actually evaporative coolers in the 40s and 50s before we had air conditioner,
On the car?
so we could reduce the temperature in the car.
This is really how they did the AC in the car?
Yep.
Wow, that is too cool.
So we have come a long way, baby.
Yes, we have. Yes, we have. Well, you guys have fun on the road as you drive this thing back. We appreciate
We
you.
will.
And we'll be right back, Arizona. Stay with us.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. I love that car.